Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make any of your previous posts private on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now go to your profile and choose the post you would like to make private. Then tap the three dots in the top right of the post. From the pop-up menu, tap Edit Privacy. Simply select Only Me. Now go back. That's it. The post is now private, and you will see a lock icon on that post. So in this way, you can make any of your previous posts private on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.